crossfire to see.
I'll try.
Fool try to stick with Petro that we can, if he put up his radar, that he can fry to the enemy destroyers.
Acknowledged.
I don't really want to go out to the one line against 3 destroyers.
Yeah, I don't have to, man. Just play how we want to play.
Yeah, let's do that. I will follow you. What the fuck?
Blind fire or?
Blind fire, yes, 30,000 health lost.
What?
Or they're using something not legal, also possible.
Mm.
And we stay at B also.
I have radar, so if you come with me, you can probably catch them.
Gonna deal with you, yeah.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
Hey, put yourself against the island. Use any to the island. Mahato, are you spotted?
No, not yet.
Mahato, you can maybe fire on that Moskva. He is over pushing it.
Yeah, it's the island. Trying to spot. Yeah, I'm trying to shoot him.
Yeah,
Good,
one
good
Moskva.
angle.
You get also one Moskva at broadside at A, so don't, if possible, prioritize at A.
Overweight.
Smaland,
Citadel on Moskva. AK.
I'm hard detected. It's probably DD moving into B.
Yeah, probably.
Smaland, don't overpush it. A lot of torps incoming.
They're not close.
Both of the Shimons probably get here at B. Attack the crossfires towards Montana.
Smaland, can you focus at Moskva?
Do you want me to fire him?
No, torps.
First time Petro to get away maybe. They're all gonna push him with the BBs and see. Hitting on Montana.
Mahato, if possible, support C.
Fire.
I'm detected again. I think he's coming from the other side of the island. DD.
Moskva's coming from me.
Yamato was detected?
Yeah, I'm spotted now. I'll try to focus down the Moskva if possible.
Smart fire on that Moskva. I think he's slowly returning, so. Ooh, torps near the neighborhood of the Moskva's destroyer.
Just try to stay there. Hold the island. I might get the salvo on Moskva.
Don't push it, Smaland.
It's a lucky
He just radared.
salvo on Moskva.
Hull breach. We're taking on water quickly.
Can,
Levi, try for the Kremlin. Just can you put
radar
yourself
right
against
there.
the island?
Don't have Moskva anymore.
I had to lead it because the DD was pushing in the right hand side of it. I thought he was going to talk to me.
Did He's in unspotted.
There is.
Try to get Haaland if possible, Mario. Oh, nice.
It was a nasty surprise.
Well done. Beautiful.
It's a Koala where he drops against Moskva.
I don't think they're gonna hit. Slowed down again. He stopped to stay in the smoke.
Hindi and Yamato first focus on that Kremlin on your right, I think it is. Just make yourself as small as possible. I think you can take a punch.
Can try to fire it.
Kremlin.
We have a good. Fire.
4 overpens in the Kremlin. Wow. Beautiful.
If you wait a second, I can hide behind the iron and shoot him undetected.
Second salve on Kremlin. I think that might finish him.
Nice. Kill him. The second was the Moskva.
Oh, it's still shooting at the Moskva.
Nice.
Good place.
Nice. Good play together, guys.
Ooh, undetected. He radared me.
I mean the same. Just run.
Put the Hindi down to help with the Moskva on A. Or do you want me to-
No. Let him be there. He can't fire his guns, so that's beautiful. Just clean it at sea, fire your guns at sea, and that will be good. It's gonna put so good bait.
Try to get the Moskva.
What the fuck? I got a torpedo hit. Ooh, there's Shima there. I accidentally hit.
Where? Can you point it out?
We're going to need to worry about points, aren't we? What do you think?
Right next to the Moskva.
Okay, Yamato and Indy, let's finish that push into Ace Mount.
Enemy warship.
The Moskva's pushing around. I'll try to cap A.
Engine boost activated.
Moskva's down.
Nice. I'll focus on that Moskva.
Try to have them fire at the Montana.
Stations. Deploying position of a strategic target.
Nice.
Nice, guys.
Problem solved, sir.
Good job.
Good game, everyone.
I think I'm Montana.
Haaland if possible, try to cap, but it's not necessary, I think. Good talks, Miss Koala.
Montana's focusing me.
Stupid f of me.
No problem. Well, if you can get the cap, I'll focus the Moskva down.
That's a Shimi is almost done. Hindi the Shima. Smaller don't fire on the Moskva, don't fire the Moskva, but hunt down that Shimikaze. It's between row 5 or 6 or something like that. Koala, watch out for that Shimikaze is flying at you. Patron, can you fire the Moscow first? First, please.
Yeah. Just to recruit for Montana.
Can you send some talks to Montana? I think you know what to do. Nice, nice, nice. Want to be more in the Russian service. Hindi and Yamato break Hindi push in between position A and B. Can you
Someone's
go?
got RPF on me. No anymore.
Koala cap A first, please, because we're gonna otherwise lose waypoints.
Nice.
Okay, kill him, kill him, kill him. One shots, one salvo, he's dead. Nice.
Firing on Montana. Good job.
Okay, good job, everyone. And I think you can also fire on the Montana.
Well played, everybody.
Yeah, good battle. And evening.
GG, guys. Great.
Nice.
Good battle.
See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Yeah, but no clan battle. I'll see you tomorrow.
Night.
Alright, good night, thank you.
Bye.
GG.